Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to wire this type of 3-gang switch in easiest way as possible. So when you look here, you can see that here is the diagram of a 3-gang switch. If you look here, you can see that here is the L1, the common terminal of the first gang, and if you look here, you see that here is the L2, the common terminal of the second gang, and here is L3, the common terminal of second gang. So we are going to connect our live wire from our breaker to L1 of this switch, and from L1 we look to L2, the common terminal of second gang, and from L2 we look to L3, the common terminal of third gang. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to connect this wire to my breaker gang. So if you look here closely, you will see that here is the L1 of the first gang. So I'll go ahead and lose it. So I'll put the wire this way. So before we tie this, we are going to put another one from here to L2. So I'm using this short wire for that. So I'm going to put this one also and tight it. So after that, we are going to put this one to L2 of the common terminal of second gang. So if you look here, you see that here is the L2. So I'll go ahead and lose it again and I'll put the wire. Then before we tight it again, we are going to put another one from here to L3 of the third gang. So I'll use this one again and put this way and tight it. Then when you look here, you can see that here is the L3. You can see L3 here. So we are going to put this one here. So now we have the first gang connects to L11 of the first gang, and the second gang connects to L21 of the second gang, and the third bulb connects to L31 of the third gang. So let's go ahead and connect it. So this is our 3 bulb. So now this first bulb, we are going to connect it to L11 of the first gang. So I'll go ahead and lose it. Connect it. So this first bulb to L11. Then the second bulb, we are going to connect the second bulb to L21 of the second gang. So we'll go ahead and connect it. I'll lose it. Then the third bulb to L31 of the third gang. So I'll go ahead and connect it. Okay, let me lose it. And put it. So now we are done with the connection. So let's go ahead and connect our neutral to our breaker. And I'll turn my breaker on. So you can see. So you can see the first bulb turn on. If I turn on the second gang, the second bulb turn on. If I turn on the third bulb, the third